Hello, crafty friends. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I'm making a birthday card for my little brother-in-law, and I'm using the Spellbinder May kit of the month, yeah. So this one is the large die of the month that create a banner and with it's got some balloons, it's got some flowers, it's got some text. They say happy birthday, birthday wishes, a lot of different things. I'm going to use this old die as well. That is, don't remember from where. I got it like 12 years or something like that. And I'm going to use embossing, the 3D embossing folder of the month for May 2023. And now I'm just going to start building my banner. So I'm going to use some strip foam tape to make it pop up a bit, and when I finish I'll get back to you. I decided to go for a 3 layers banner because I want to write it down happy birthday, had the name of the receiver of the card at the bottom, but you can choose how many layers do you want, from 1 to infinite. So I'm just gonna start to glue the word birthday in the middle, and it comes in a separate dies basically, with the letter B and letter Y separate. I guess because the banner is kind of tight space, so you need to play around a little bit to fit it, but I think in the end worked out just fine. And the word happy came as well with separate dies with H detached from the rest of the word. So I'm just gonna glue in at the moment the center pieces and then I will add the separate letters after. and then I just center it thinking, oh yeah, I realize it, no, I need to add the H, so better go a bit up. There you go, that's better. And now it's time to attach a separate letter. I'm removing any excess of the glue by dabbing in a piece of paper on the side. So if you see me disappear, that's because I'm doing that. There you go. And that's it, birthday's done. And now it's time to writing down the name. Luckily it's a short name, or at least I'm putting it short. His name is Alexander. To glue everything down, I'm using an inexpensive glue in a squeeze bottle and my lovely tweezer. I die cut the sentiment and the name Alex out of blue holographic cardstock that I never used it before, and I didn't know for what to use it, and now I realize it's perfect for sentiments like that, just to pop up a little bit to give you a bit of colorful and shine effect. And I centered it first with the letter L-E, and now I'm attaching the rest. I'm gonna leave a little bit of space on one side because I want to add a little decoration there. So the last X. Finally, there you go. Can take a bit of time, but I don't mind. And that's it, the banner is done. I think it came out okay. I like it, it's nice and shiny. Now I'm just gonna build a little, couple of little flowers to decorate my banner. So I'm gonna glue together these tiny, adorable little, I don't know which type of flowers are there, but they're so cute, with the little stem as well and the leaf. They all, of course, come in the kit on the large die of the month kit. Spellbinder always have these tiny little adorable flowers that I just use it everywhere after because they're so cute, all of them. Now I've got a little piece of foam. I'm gonna put one of the flowers with the spiky things like little daisy. I'm just gonna add a bit of dimension by using rounded tools and some foam tape, and just make it a bit more dimensional, just a tiny bit. And now I put a dot of glue in the center just to add my flower centers. I'm just gonna go with the white on the blue, on the purple flower, and the purple center on the white flower. Oh, I think it got stuck with the glue. There you go. Isn't this adorable, this tiny little flower? I'm just gonna glue it there, just to decorate my banner a little bit. Like so. There you go. Now I'm just gonna add a couple of other flowers here and there. And then I will add a bit of couple of leaves as well, just to give a bit more color. Just a couple, nothing major. There is another little flowers that come in the kit. I decided to try to put that one as well. Now that my banner is done, nice and shiny, and now it's time to start on my background. So I embossed a panel of watercolor paper, very thick one, with the 3D embossing folder of the month for May 2023 for Spellbinders. And I attached some double-side paper, sticky paper on the back and on the front of a slightly smaller panel of foam tape, and I'm just gonna attach it together with my panel at the back of my panel, and now it's nice and sturdy. I decided to put the banner in the center, and then as a background I just got all these balloons color of different, cut it off from different color cardstock, and I just gonna play around with them and just attach exactly in the place where the balloons are on my embossed panel. So the design is gonna do is what I'm not gonna make any any effort on doing the design because it's already done for me, and I'm just gonna glue together different color balloons. So easy, but a bit time consuming because you need to go on top of everything. Some of them they will be pop up with a bit of foam, but the majority just glue down. As my banner is got already a lot of dimension, I'm just gonna add some glue at the back and stick it in the center of my panel. There we go. Try to center it correctly. I let it dry for a couple of minutes, and then after that I just cut off the excess from the back, all those tiny little balloons pieces, and I'm using my long scissors that I love, very sharp. As a last bit, I'm gonna add a bit of extra spark with sequins that come from one of the quick and easy card kit of the month for Spellbinders. I don't remember which one, but I think March, I'm not sure. But they match perfectly my sentiments for the color, so I decided to go for it, as I think they're really, really pretty. So I'm just going to add a few here and there. And once I stick them down with some glue, I can attach my panel to my card base. That is a 5x7 card base, by the way. There you go. So the panel is exactly the same size, so it should be easy enough to layer them together. There you go. Perfect. And now the card is done. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the card, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, please. And I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.